Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 600. So first things first, you have to go to your Roblox, go to your settings, and then here you have to search for security. Search for security. Now you have to scroll down and then tap on security here. Now you have to make sure that this use DNS is toggled on. So if you can see it, then you have to make sure this one is toggled on and make sure this one is set as Google Public DNS, tap this one, and then go back and see if the problem has been fixed. Another method is that you need to go to your start menu and then search for run. Now here you need to type %symbol local app data, %symbol, and then tap on OK. It will show you this files right here in folders. You have to type R or look for Roblox, click, and then delete. After that, what you're going to do next is you have to go to your Roblox and then select a game again. If it asks for you to download, then you need to download or reinstall the Roblox again. So basically, these are the ways on how to fix Roblox error code 600. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.